Hello, this is Jaswin from Hola World and I am here with
Mukul.
Mukul is a PhD student at University of Newcastle. Can you explain a bit more, introduce yourself?
Yeah, so hi everyone, I am Mukul More. So I come from India, the state Maharashtra. So I have done my graduation in engineering related to chemical and chemistry. So basically I did my engineering from Institute of Chemical Technology, Mumbai.
Nice.
So after coming here, I joined here as a master student
Okay.
for Masters in Material Sciences and Engineering.
And GICAN Institute is running the program,
Yes,
right?
so this institute, this program basically, Masters of Material Science Engineering, is exclusively run by our team known as GICAN. This is Global Innovative Center for Advanced Nanomaterial, where the director is Professor Ajayan Vinu for that. So, to be in a short, I would like to share since from my graduation college. So for my graduation college, they are mostly, when you do engineering, you have two perspectives. Either you go abroad to study, or you do MBA, you do some future, some master's degree, or you find a job.
Correct.
So that during my bachelor's experience, I ended up doing internships during my last year of bachelor's, and in that I realized that this job thing, this corporate thing, this industry thing, is not my thing.
Okay.
So I decided that definitely I will
move into technical space.
Yes, to go more into a research-based scenario. So, the first thing what I did before even applying or even searching for the universities, I checked what field I was more interested into.
Very good.
Yeah, so that is the most important thing. People might tell you that do this course, you will have a better future, do that course with a better future, more paying jobs, a lot of things. But how I believe is any job can pay you well, and in any field you can do very good if you have the motivation to do it.
That's right. If you're passionate about something, that is when you study that or perform well in that field, right?
Yeah.
Like if you ask Sachin to do engineering, he won't be happy and he won't do it well.
True.
Now he chose cricket and now he is superstar.
Yes, yes.
Same goes with Sanju Samson now, right?
Exactly.
So yeah. That is amazing. So you followed your passion. Your bachelor's was already in chemical engineering,
yes, yes.
and then you connected your chemical engineering bachelor's degree with a master's degree.
Yes.
That's how you. How did you select Newcastle?
Yeah, so that's what I'm thinking. So before even looking for university or anything, I searched for the people who are doing excellent research in the field of material sciences.
Yeah.
And to be honest, for me, very frank with and very honest with the audience, I didn't want to go to USA.
Okay.
Because the things happening before. I came here in 2022.
Yeah.
And during even that time, I didn't feel that it's kind of a good place to settle in or compete with, to be honest.
Trump was already there.
Yeah. And on top of that, anyways, this a political things, we can't say anything about that.
Yeah.
But anything, the main point is that, when you select for a particular country, it's very important you know every aspect of it. Where are you going to live and where are you going to, but do the most important journey of your life.
Correct.
Because it's not just a random place, you go oh, let's go for coffee here or something.
Yes, it's not only for studies.
Yeah.
Mostly you will like the place and you will end up spending your rest of the life there.
Exactly, yeah.
So
you find an entire different personality of yours when you go abroad.
Very wise thinking.
Yeah.
That's what I also thought. Not only, just following your passion and course, but you have to live in that country mostly. So select in a way that you won't regret spending the rest of the time there. So that is why you chose Australia.
That's why I chose Australia, yeah.
And
so now coming to the university part, so I searched who are the top most researchers in Australia.
Yeah.
And there I came across Professor Ajayan Vinu.
Yeah. So his profile attracted you to
his
Newcastle.
profile attracted me. I saw his research papers. I went to his Google Scholar, saw his research papers, the type of research he does.
Yeah.
And you will be surprised that it's very rare that professors reply to your mail or even reply to your messages. It's very rare. I know my friends who have sent 500 emails, 1,000 emails. Out of them, they get reply out of 10.
Yes.
For joining any course. But luckily for me, I just connected him on LinkedIn. He was that friendly, that reachable. He just accepted my this request, the LinkedIn request, and I started chatting to him this is the thing.
Yeah.
I am studying this course. I did this course. This is my need, and I'm thinking to come for PhD.
Yeah.
And my plan was to come to PhD directly, not even for masters, because if you do engineering from certain colleges in India, which ICT comes one of it.
Yeah.
So if you do that type of bachelor's, abroad they allow you to do directly PhD.
Okay. Yeah. I didn't know that.
Yeah. So basically all the NITs, IITs and institutes like ICT, which are centralized institutes, the topmost institute in India especially. They allow you to do PhD straight
directly
after the bachelor's.
That's great. So you applied for PhD, but
so I didn't even apply for PhD. So my doubt was, is it research for me?
okay,
Is research my thing or not?
yeah,
So when you do a kind of job after your bachelor's, you join a job, you will realize that it's a job thing for you or not within few months or maybe a year if mostly you've taken time. But still after that you have an option to quit the job or change the company, whatever you have. But PhD is such a thing. If you join and if you don't like it, you are stuck with that PhD for 3.5 years, 4 years. So PhD thing, if you enter it, you are stuck with it.
yeah.
It's very hard to get out of it, and if you don't like it. So what Professor Vinu suggested me that instead of doing PhD, you can join here as a master's student.
Yeah.
So masters is basically, I would say, it's like a bridging part
Yes.
between your bachelor's and your professionalism in research.
That way, professor will also be able to understand
Exactly,
whether
yes.
you would be good for research or are you
Yes.
an industry material to work in industry.
Exactly, yeah.
So that was a good phase for you to understand whether you want to pursue academic research, right?
Exactly. That's my also point. So that's what I did. Like, I didn't want it to go straight away land into PhD and then realize, oh shit, it's not my thing. I should have not done this.
Got it.
So
that's why you are industry ready as well as you have this academic orientation as well in this masters of.
Exactly. Yes,
the program name is
It's Masters of Material Sciences and Engineering.
Material Science and Engineering.
Yeah. So as I discussed with Professor, and then he straight away told me that you can join here as masters. So basically, I'm not sure whether still we have this or not. So there was a tie-up of University of Newcastle to some universities in India.
Okay.
So that time is like 1 year you can do masters in India.
Yeah.
And the second year you can come here for
Nice.
doing the research work. But I was like, if I'm doing masters, then why not just spend the entire full-fledged 2 years in Australia? Yeah, so as I told you, my purpose was coming in masters here because I wanted to explore my academic side perspective, like how will I end up doing in academic field. So as suggested by Professor Ajayan Vinu, I just straight away came here for masters. And after coming here for masters, I felt a very huge, I wouldn't say like a very big difference or something, but it's a very impactful difference which I saw in the education system
From
which
India.
we have India and we have here. So I don't know about all the courses here, but I can only speak about myself because this course is specifically designed and crafted by our lab people. So when actual scientists, actual researchers, they craft and design a particular course for you, it's going to be just for the best of the field.
Correct.
It's nothing like, I don't feel that any of the thing which I learned during my masters is kind of just,
Time
book
waste.
knowledge.
Book knowledge.
Book knowledge
It's
or
very
like-
hands-on.
It's very hands-on.
As material sciences research kind of stuff, right?
Yes.
So I saw the devices that our lab has. It's all very expensive devices.
For sure, yeah.
I saw the GICAN lab facility and amazed whatever we learned in our chemistry and physics textbook from all till 12th or even in engineering. All the advanced devices which led to many inventions are available at the GICAN center.
Yeah, that's true.
So that surprised me and fascinated me. So I think that is a great opportunity to get this devices or instruments for your learning and research.
Exactly, yes. So when I came here and I saw that the design of the course, I can shortly briefly tell you about the courses. So basically 4 courses we learned as the most important core subjects. One was the synthesis of advanced nanomaterials.
Okay, synthesis of advanced nanomaterials.
Yes. And the second one was the fundamental of engineering the materials which we are making.
Okay.
So which are already made by some other people of the materials which we made, and we engineer it to make it more functional.
More efficient.
More efficient, yes. And then other than that, we have real life, the current research is ongoing research in the world, throughout the world.
Okay.
We study the exact papers in the classroom.
That is currently happening in the industry,
field of material sciences, yes.
Yeah.
So we have all the applications based on that. So the postdoc or the researcher in our lab who specialize in that particular field, he will come or she will come and teach you the exact thing.
Making sure you are at par with the world's current research, what is happening in material science.
Yes.
And the fourth one is?
And the fourth one is like among these fields of application like energy, environment and everything, there's one more field which is biomedical engineering.
Okay.
So use application of advanced nanomaterials for biomedical engineering.
Saving the world.
Yes, saving the world, yeah. So basically, it's like entirely covered course which can be, if you want to just have a kind of, I would say, like a tester. If you want to, if you're having a full course meal or not, and if you want to have a tester of that dish
entree.
It's like a entree.
You can try it out, and you will understand where your passion and interest lies.
Yes. It exactly helps you know where do you want to go. So now we know that we came in material sciences.
Yeah.
But material science is so huge field. I mean, I can't even tell you. It's like you can't even imagine it's that huge.
Chemical engineering, metallurgy, mining,
Everything comes under that.
absorption. It's a collusion of all these things together.
For sure, yeah.
So it's really interesting. I think the physics, chemistry, all Nobel prizes are going in material science field. Actually, that's where everyone is looking into, like even the chip design, or what is happening in the semiconductor, AI, what is happening all around is material science.
Sure, that's true.
So a lot of scope to build things. That is where like all the research is happening. AI especially, so chip manufacturing, everything gets connected to the material science. So a lot of field, lot of opportunity to grow and learn.
That's true.
So biotechnology is one pillar. So four different core areas that we focus in this course.
Yes.
And the career outcomes. So basically in Australia, the graduates are moving to which all industries?
So again, this is like a very it's very difficult question to answer basically, because just leave Australia. Based on the current world scenario, the major concern is the population. If we talk about India in general, population is one concern. And along with that, we currently are, dependent on fossil fuels.
Yes.
Wheat, biofuel, crude oil and everything. And everything is like, it's about to replenish. You can see in this wars which happen currently. Everyone is fighting for fuel. Main concern is the fuel. And now if you and then if you consider a country like India, the major concern is population. And with increasing population, the demand of fuel will increase.
Correct.
The demand of energy will increase. The demand of food will increase.
Correct.
The demand of pharmaceuticals, because more people, more health problems. So you need better pharmaceutical industries, you need better bio industries. So all these industries related to what? Again, you come to material science. So depending on your perspective or your interest, whichever field you want to go. I'm just talking about the research field. If whichever field you want to make an innovation, material science is one of the best, I would say, course to start with.
So any industry that is doing R&D, any companies that is doing research and development, advancing their technologies or advancing their capabilities, even pharmaceutical field, biomedical field, engineering field, renewable energy, sustainability, energy harvesting, chip manufacturing, AI. So in these all fields, material science engineers are relevant for the growth for that particular company. So all the top companies will be hiring material science. So I have spoken with few of the alumni of this program. Some are working in semiconductor space, some are in energy space, some are in environmental space. So that's what I got. I'll post more videos. And you are into research now. You are doing PhD in material science. So putting strong foot forward in research field and in GICAN itself. So you're doing in GICAN. So how is this happening now? The PhD, you're fully funded, or how is it happening?
So this is another achievement I would call for me. So as soon as I didn't even finish my master's, to be honest. I was just about to submit my thesis before that, and I got the opportunity to work with the best scientists available. Not just in Australia, to be honest. It's like all around the world.
Nice.
So for example, Ajayan Vinu, Professor Ajayan Vinu, he's very well known for CO2 capture, energy applications. And along with that, I worked with Professor Prashant Kumar. So he's the one who discovered an entire new material called as molybdenum. It's a two-dimensional material, molybdenum. So it was one of the very rarest paper which got published. And
is it like an element, or like a man-made element, or no? This is like,
it's like a
material, like plastic kind of one kind of new product.
So you just imagine that everything we see around is three-dimensional, right?
Yes.
But if you draw on a paper, that is 2D. So just imagine single metal ions placed in a single sheet form, like. So it doesn't have height. It just have lateral dimension. So when you have this type of structure, the electronic properties of the material enhances tremendously. So the electrons, for example, just basic I am telling you, for example, if you want to travel from here to here, and if you have a plane, it's faster. But if you have a 3D structure, you have to go to more obstacles
ups
and everything.
Downs,
ups and downs, So this is like a sheet made up of just single metal ions.
Okay.
So molybdenum is one of the metal.
Molybdenum.
Yeah. So it's like molybdenum, multiple molybdenums arranged in a sheet-like structure. That is basically a two-dimensional metalline.
Professor
Prashant Kumar. Yeah.
he invented or discovered.
Yeah, he
How is we gonna term that? Invented.
It's basically, you can't say invented because invented is something.
Your device.
Device or something. Yeah. Along with that, now Professor Ajayan Vinu, he discovered the mesoporous carbon nitride. I got the opportunity to work with the brightest minds in the current world. So yeah, coming back to my PhD, right? How I ended up in PhD. So these things I worked during my masters. You get this opportunity during just your masters. I have not even entered the field of doing research. In general, but I still got the opportunity to work on that.
So not everyone in your class will be selected for the research.
Yes.
So that is the professor or the professor's wish, right? Who can be granted with full scholarship for the PhD program.
Yes. So you have to prove yourself.
Yeah. So you are academically brilliant and your thesis might be very attractive.
Yeah.
That's what got their attention.
Yes.
And you are fully funded doing PhD and you are getting scholarship as like a stipend as well.
Yes.
So and you assist in the labs or you teach students, master students currently?
Currently not, but like I would say, like for example, during my masters, I again started to work on a different type of material which I am working on.
Okay.
It's known as borophene.
Borophene. That was your thesis?
That was my thesis. Yes.
Nice.
Yeah, that was my thesis. So currently my PhD topic is also on the same thing.
Okay.
So we were the first one to report fluoroborophene.
Fluoroborophene.
Fluoroborophene is basically a material which you can use for various applications, but which I used is for oxygen evolution reaction.
Oxygen evolution
So you can, if there's water, you can split it into hydrogen.
Yeah.
And you can split it into oxygen.
Yes.
So I generate oxygen.
Yes.
And this oxygen you can use for any of the chemical synthesis process.
Yes.
So usually when you split water, it takes high amount of energy.
To
split. You have to give electricity, energy to it to split.
Yeah.
But if you have a material, which for example, if you're providing maybe 100% of the electricity, but if you provide that electricity to my material, it will just take maybe around 70% of the electricity or 60% of the, depends on how I modify. Again,
got it.
That's a very huge field.
Energy efficient way of splitting water into hydrogen and oxygen. The oxygen can be used for other oxidation process for elements and the hydrogen can be used as a fuel.
Yeah, exactly. So it can be used in a fuel cell where you can get hydrogen as well and oxygen as well. So in our lab, we have different teams working. So I think my professor might have told you related the hydrogen project which are they working on.
Yes, I know about that. It's confidential thing happening. I was lucky he showed me the.
Oh, that's great.
The initial research. So that's really inspiring and it will be a great opportunity for students from India who are going to study in Australia, especially in the field of material science. I would recommend Newcastle. I don't know any other better university doing material science research. So speaking about University of Newcastle, you know that it's a regional area university, so you will also get a stay back. Now you are doing PhD. Do you know how much stay back you can receive studying in Callaghan campus?
I think, I'm not sure, I think 5 years of stay back I have.
That's true. For master students, it's 3, 4, 5. 3 for category 1, 4, 5 minimum. I think for PhD, for Indian student, you will get 6 years of stay back.
Oh, really?
For Callaghan campus. Callaghan is actually category 2, so 5 years.
5 years,
4, 5, 6. I think the Gosford campus of Newcastle, that is in category 3 area. So that will, if you are studying there, you would have got 6 years. But you don't need that much
we don't need that.
5 years is more than enough. So good luck with that. And anything else?
Yeah, so basically I wanted to tell you, like, so during my masters, I got awarded with the ARC, this Austrian Research Council fellowship, scholarship. Due to which, that is, the Austrian Research Council is funding my entire PhD
tuition fee of PhD.
Tuition fee
plus your stipend.
Yes.
Australian Research Council, ARC is funding.
ARC is funding, yeah. So he has a project under ARC, Vinu.
Yes.
So in that project I am there.
Okay.
And I would say that, when you come here for masters, you get a lot of opportunities to collaborate. That is the main thing. And if somebody audience is watching here and want to really do well in research, it's very important that you collaborate
with other universities and other industry. CSIRO collaboration is there. CSIRO is the top research
it's like
institute,
government funded lab in Australia.
Yes, and the association with the industry leading.
For sure, yeah. We are
companies.
dealing with a lot of industries. We are working in agriculture, energy, and various sectors. And along with that, we have partnerships with various universities like UNSW, Macquarie University, RMIT. So, we collaborate with them for
sharing their research space, the lab facilities, the devices, etc.
Exactly, yes.
I've seen Newcastle PhD students with the UNSW tag. Then I asked why you are wearing UNSW tag inside Newcastle, because he just forgot to remove that. He was accessing the UNSW lab that morning. So that is very good.
There are a lot of friends which they do that. They go to UNSW or RMIT for doing a particular set of experiments. We get samples from them, from their universities to test here.
Test it here.
Just like a shared environment and nature.
That is very friendly kind of atmosphere that you don't much watch in Indian universities. Maybe very competitive, whereas
you can't see within departments. You can see the clash.
Yes. So that collaborative space, students first or research first approach is helping students and to excel Australia and universities in Australia to go one step higher. So that is a very new experience that I learned. And the amount that you spend in University of Newcastle and accessing to group of 8 environments is also value for money, adding more to the students. And in field of material science especially, we don't have any other option. This is the best. So for any such related enquiries, feel free to get in touch with us. I'll add his LinkedIn profile also in the description. So you can leave him a message as well.
Sure.
That'll be a great inspiration for our students who are planning.
We have to grow together. We can't grow alone. We have to share and grow together.
After your PhD, what is your plan? Future plan?
Yeah, that's a very tricky question to answer, because the thing is, after PhD you get multiple options, but again there is a lot of competition as well. But again, depends on which environment you work in and what work are you doing in. So I would like to share, recently I have been awarded, and I am the first from the University of Newcastle to being awarded the ICGP fellowship.
Proud to sit with you. And this fellowship will take you?
This fellowship is by NIMS. This is National Institute of Material Sciences.
Wow.
And this is the #1 institute in Japan for material sciences research.
Okay.
So for that, during my PhD, I am going there for 1 year. This July I'm going there.
Okay, total PhD period is?
My total PhD is 3.5 years.
3.5 years.
Yeah.
Out of that, 1 year you are going
in
Japan.
Japan.
I think Professor Ajayan Vinu also did spend some time in Japan.
Yeah, he spent his time in Japan as well.
Yeah. So they are also excelling in material science.
Yeah, you can say they're one of the best in the world.
Okay.
Like the infrastructure they have and everything. So they're one of the best in the world. So I'm already getting the opportunity to to explore that field, that infrastructure, use those facilities. So mostly I feel that I will be still staying in academia. I won't be looking for any industrial jobs to be at this current moment.
Like Professor Vinu, Ajayan Vinu.
Possible, but he's great.
Yeah.
that is a lot of hard work. We'll try our best.
Yes.
Yeah. That's it. I would like to share one more thing, that just focus what you need, and you have to be very clear about what you actually want. Don't just land up with any course which you don't want to be.
Got it.
Because I have seen students who are not even take the course and they later regret. But it's very important that you please follow people like him and get the actual information about the course which is happening.
Yes.
So maybe might for some of the people watching this video, for them this might not be their course. They might be interested in it, but definitely this guy must have covered it.
Many people would skip this video because they won't be interested into research labs.
Exactly, yeah.
But there are a lot of minds who are in research. I get a lot of queries, but unfortunately PhDs or the research programs are selected by the universities, and agents have no role. And I think they assume the candidates will have the capacity to clear those requirements for PhD. They don't need an agent normally. So that is why normally we don't get that, but still I am trying to help connecting students and do the
students still need help too.
Yes.
Yeah. And I believe I come from that era, that time where you feel helpless.
Yes.
You don't know what to do when you're in India. Clueless. Everybody you see on Instagram, you scroll, somebody is going there, someone is going there. You see LinkedIn, people post overwhelming post about their success. But to be honest, it's all about you. Don't need to be worried about others.
Correct.
Just feel what fits you.
You shouldn't chase another person's dream. You should follow your dream, what you are good at it,
Exactly.
and chase the passion, and see whether the passion is aligning with the global demands and needs also, right?
Yes, yes.
So for example, material science or chemical engineering, these fields are growing and booming, and if you study in that field, you can grow for sure.
Yes,
And
for sure.
you will reach success.
And on behalf of all the students, like for me 4 years back, the Mukul I would
Yes.
really like to thank, the people like you who make the videos.
Yeah.
And support the people who really want to do something with their life and want to explore more fields about and different universities and have different ideas, because it's very difficult, to be honest. Just being around with a bunch of friends which you are living with and your environment, it's not always motivating, to be honest.
Correct.
You need people around you, and you need the environment, you need the
Right.
the media feed in you.
Right input.
Right input is very important. If you just watch some random video where you see some people are getting successful and all, that's not the only thing you can watch. You need people who actually share what is there in the world. So really thank you for that.
Thanks for the opportunity.
Yeah.
And
No, that's really great thing you're
talk
doing.
again.